Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the Marrier box. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so I just received June's Marrier box. If you watched last month, you know I was not happy with last month, but I was extremely thrilled with the month prior. So let's see what this month brings, and I really hope that it's better than last month. Let's go ahead and cut the tape and see what this month brings. Okay, so now, if you guys do not know, Marrier box is $29 a month plus $6 shipping. Crafty will get you 10% off your order. Marrier is a luxury-inspired lifestyle monthly subscription box service that features full and sample-size products from skincare, makeup, jewelry, stationery, snacks, tea, and everything in between that appeals to the modern-day woman. So let's see. I'm so nervous, you guys, because last month was horrible. Okay, let's see. So there is, this month we have our card and our tissue paper with a little heart that says a thank you. So June 2019 says just in time for summer. And what's in June's box? So let's see. Let's go ahead and cut the tape or the sticker. There's some tissue paper, and this is what is inside. Let's see. So, first item right on top, it says Sephora. And there's the back. It says to and from. Let's open. Okay, so first thing that I do have to tell you guys, it has this little leaflet, and right here it says save your gift card on an iPhone, use it Sephora, go to the app, playbook, whatever. So a gift card is supposed to be here for one, not just whatever is in here. You're supposed to have a gift card here. So this is probably maybe what they give you when you buy a gift card. So that's already a negative red flag in my mind, but let's see what this is. So it says Sephora, and it has the personalized Crafty on top. Let me see what this is before I tell you what my feelings are right now. It's a mirror. Okay, so it is a double-sided mirror. What I feel about this, I don't think they should put the, sorry, I'm not flipping you off. I don't think they should put the personalized name on something that says Sephora right underneath it. And it's crooked anyways. That just doesn't look right to me. That doesn't look right to me. Plus, this obviously, they probably give this with the gift cards to people. So, ooh, okay. Personalized Sephora compact mirror, $14. There's no way. There's no way that this little thing is $14. And I'm not liking that they put our name on top of Sephora. Like, if you're gonna put our name on a mirror, then get like a really pretty mirror that's like a round, compact shape that you open that has no brand name. Don't put our name on a brand name. You know what I mean? Like, that just is, I don't like that. I don't like that they put our name on a brand name product that comes in a thing that talks about a gift card that is not there. No wonder why it says to and from on the back. So, okay, there's one thing that I don't like. Next, in this little red pouch, I don't think I'm going to be renewing this subscription, you guys. I'm really sorry for bringing this on my channel, but at least I can probably help you guys from saving $30. What is this? $29 plus $6, $35 a month. So inside this little box was this, and Oh my gosh, that is ugly. And that is very, very poorly, cheaply made. This is like a dollar store product. I'm sorry. I'm only honest with you guys. That is a very cheap product. Like very, very cheaply made. It is extremely cheap. It looks cheap. It feels very light. Oh my goodness. What does it say? Luxe Mirror Gemstone Necklace, $9. No. No. I mean, that just looks very poorly made. And it's very, very light. I don't like that. I've seen way better, cheaper necklaces that are better quality in boxes that I'm not a fan of that. What do you guys think? Yeah, it has like a big fake little like stone right there, but this is just so cheaply made. I don't care for that. Now we have Bear Baked Crunchy Fuji and Red Apple Chips, and these feel like they're all smashed inside, being honest. This says, oh, so you would have received the necklace for $9 or gold accent hoop earrings for $7. And these are valued at $2.99 for this little bag. Okay. Glam Up Revitalized Japanese Sake Enhance Radiance Sheet Mask. So here is a sheet mask valued at $2.79. I love sheet masks, so I won't ever complain, but we got a sheet mask. That's the best thing in this box so far. And I know that's not valued at $35. Next, we have Eye Bloom by Beauteque. Now, this looks promising. This is valued at $14.99. And if this is the only thing that I like with this, that's still not of value, because that other stuff is just cheap, crappy products to me. Again, this is all my opinion. I pay for this. I'm bringing this to you to help you either guide you in the right direction or help you run from the wrong direction. So again, here is the packaging. Let's see. The outside is exactly the same with the Eye Bloom. This is very pretty packaging. I do like the flowers. I like the pinkish colors. It looks really, really pretty. I do have, I think, 1 or 2 other palettes by Beauteque, and they're okay. I mean, they're not bad. Ooh, okay. I love these colors. I do. Okay, there's a heart-shaped mirror. That's really cute. And look at these colors. Those colors are beautiful. This is the only thing I like in this entire box, and it's definitely not worth the entire box, but we do have one item that I'm excited about. Let me go ahead and swatch this for you guys really quick so we can see the colors and then know like what they're going to. These are really pretty. I really, really like these purples. I can't wait to try this. I honestly cannot wait to try this palette. This palette looks very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. Okay, let me go ahead and swatch this for you guys. Okay, you guys, so here are all of the colors swatched. They're very, very pretty. Like these burgundies back here with these light pink shimmers are going to probably look so beautiful as an eye look, but that is the complete package. Or palette package. That is a complete palette. And again, here are the colors. Here are the swatches. So this I really, really like. This I'm glad that is in here, but again, this is only valued at $15. So it's not even half of the box. Well, it's a half of the box plus shipping. So with shipping, it's $35. This is only $15. This mask I'll use, which is $2. These are crushed, like whatevers. This just looks like some literally like dollar store cheap like necklace. And I'm not happy about this. Yeah, you put my channel name on a mirror, but it says Sephora, and this is meant for a gift card. Like, if you're gonna do that, why didn't you pull it out of this package so people don't see that this is meant for a gift card? Because you didn't put a gift card in there. I mean, this is just, I don't like that. I don't like this. These are the only things that I do like. And this is less than $20 and the box is $35. So 2 months I'm not happy with, 1 month I am. And I don't remember if I did 3 months or I did 6 months, but I'm definitely not going to renew this box, you guys. If you're interested, no problem. Everybody likes different things. That's why we're all different and unique in our own way. So if you do like it, more than happy, go to their website, use Crafty, get that 10% off and you can use it. But I do like the fact that I'm able to show you guys this so you can make your own decision if you like it or not. Me personally, I'm glad to have this. This looks like a really pretty palette, but I guess we can go and buy this ourselves for $15 or probably less and save money. So I'm glad to have this. I will use a sheet mask because I love skincare, but the other products I don't think should have been in this box for $35 a month. I don't feel that it should have been in this box. But again, that's me. So you guys comment down below. Let me know what your opinion is about this box. Do you guys think that it's worth it? Do you think that you would like to purchase this? Do you think I'm correct with how I'm feeling about this? I don't know, just this throws me off. Don't put a gift card package and then put our name on it when it says Sephora right under it. That looks just so cheesy. But you guys let me know what you think. Our positive interaction means the world. I greatly appreciate it. So you guys definitely comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are on this box. Was I right? Am I right for feeling that this is a wrong item to put a personalized item in there that should be a gift card package? But you put it in here and value it at $14? And this little chintzy thing, I mean, I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. Comment down below. I would love to know. So if you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it if you just stick around and watch my other uploads that I do. And until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.